How to install apps directly on SD card in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the developer option. If you disable your developer option and you can't find the developer option, then simply click on about phone and then click on software information and then 7 times click on build number. Now click on OK and then go back to the main page of your settings and here you can see the developer options. Now click on it. Now scroll down and here you can see the option force allow apps on external. If you turn off this button, then turn it on. After turning on this button, your install apps directly save in SD cards. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.